Alright, this is an unboxing of the Sumo Gear Engall, however you want to say it. I bought it secondary. The guy just mounted it to the rifle, set it up, so he wrote on it. Comes with this cool little zipper case. Here's the unit. The cool thing about these are they're aluminum housed. This is the green laser version. And it comes with the pressure switch. Very audible click. You see, it's not a crane plug. It's the L3 plug. You also have a way to mount it, M-lock, and some directions and stuff. So anyway, I'll get this on a firearm and let you guys see it under night vision.